scene was set at port city's Avari towers, where Consul General of Italy Danilo Giurdanella welcomed Sindh Chief Minister Syed Murad Shah. Members of the diplomatic corps based in Karachi, humanitarians, journalists, intellectuals, politicians, top-ranking civil and military bureaucrats, leading entrepreneurs and other crème de la crème of the Metropolis. Occasion was the Republic Day of Italy. Addressing the ladies and gentlemen in the audience, Consul General Danilo Giurdanella appreciated the friendship of the people of Pakistan and growing relations between the two countries in all sectors.
I've lived in Karachi for more than a year and a half now, and I can say that Italians and Pakistani, we both share the values of human dignity, the values of solidarity, helping each other, protecting human life. The consulate has been very busy in promoting economic opportunities between Pakistan and Italy. This is one of our main objectives, and we're very proud of what we have achieved. So we have a positive trade balance for Pakistan, and our trade is continuously increasing. In 2021, Pakistani export to Italy grew by 22% with a total value of 763 million euros. In the same period, Italian exports to Pakistan rose to 48% of the previous value for a total value of 754 million euros. Italy and Pakistan enjoy excellent relations. These relations are constantly improving, and I look forward to your help. We also have in Italy a very big community of Pakistani. We have more than 150,000 Pakistanis living in Italy, and I want to thank them because they've been very active in promoting Italian-Pakistani friendship. I wanted to thank all the consulate for the good work, and we have achieved much, but inshallah, I'm sure we will achieve more. Thank you very much. Thank you.
The Consul General, while praising the services of Edhi Foundation, stated,
I was aware about the Edhi Foundation because I've read a book about it, a book written by an Italian journalist. So the foundation is well known in Italy. But of course, I had the opportunity to visit them for the first time when I was in Pakistan. It was the first humanitarian NGO which I visited. And I was really surprised because Edhi Foundation is one of the main humanitarian actors in South Asia. And I expected them to have a huge headquarters, and they had no fancy furnitures, they had no expensive building. They were working very humbly and using all the resources to help needy children and destitute people. So I was really surprised by this. So I immediately offered cooperation to Faisal Edhi and his mother, Bilquis Edhi. And I was, thank you. Thank you. And I was so pleased with them that in my competence as consul, I proposed Madame Edhi for an award to the Italian President of the Republic. So I wrote the story of Bilquis Edhi to the Italian head of state. I proposed therefore the Order of the Star is the second highest civilian order that we have in Italy. So the President of Italy decided to give this award to Bilquis Edhi. The award was already given, but unfortunately, as you all know, she's passed away. So this award will now be given to his son Faisal, who I'm sure he will carry out the legacy of the Edhi Foundation that represents the spirit of Pakistan.
Italian Consul General posthumously awarded the Order of the Star of Italy to Bilquis Edhi, which was received on her behalf by her son Faisal Edhi. Danilo Giurdanella also informed that the Italian Development Committee has officially been recognized as a full Italian Chamber of Commerce, effectively functioning since 2009. Chief guest Syed Murad Shah, speaking on the occasion, congratulated the Consul General on the Republic Day of Italy.
Pakistan and Italy have always enjoyed cordial relations and cooperation in all fields. Both Italy and Sindh boast ancient civilization in history. The government of Sindh has always supported Italian cooperation, which has strengthened our bilateral relations. As a result, we are expanding the scope of joint engagements and enhancing mutual cooperation in the areas of public health and community development. Italy now is also a choice destination, a preferred destination for our students for higher education. Every year on an average, I've been told that 1,200 students apply for students' visa to study in Italy, and the number is growing each year. Italy has a strong presence in technology and industry. It has, especially in the sectors of textile, pharmaceutical, agriculture, especially olives and olive oil. Italy is a global leader in the fields of fashion and designing, leather and footwear, and Pakistan offers a great market for these goods. I'm really touched by the kind gesture from the government of Italy and recognizing the great contribution of late Madam Bilquis Edhi and the Edhi Foundation.
Vice Consul Enrico Alfonso Ricciardi, noting the architectural uniqueness of Karachi, termed it a universe with heart and soul. Talking to News Pakistan TV, he stated,
I think it was a great success because we have met a lot of very interesting people. I think the best representative of this Karachi society in the world of the finance, in the world of the commerce, architect and then politician. Really it was very successful.
Faisal Edhi held.
आज इटालियन कॉन्सुलेट की तरफ से, इटालियन गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, इटालियन प्रेसिडेंट की तरफ से एक अवार्ड जो है वो बिल्किस एधी साहबा को जो है वो अनाउंस जो किया गया था वो दिया गया। मैं इटालियन गवर्नमेंट का भी मशकूर हूँ कि उन्होंने हमारी खिदमत के अवज़ जो हमने इटली में और दुनिया में की हैं और कोविड के दौरान जो की हैं उसको रिकग्नाइज़ करते हुए ये अवार्ड हमें जो है वो बख्शा है।
Paintings of Barrister Sara Asim Khan and Ali Abbas were also exposed on the occasion to further commemorate the strong cultural ties between Italy and Pakistan. Consul General Danilo Giurdanella maintained,
Hello everybody, this is Italian National Day in Karachi. We call it Giornata della Repubblica, la Festa della Repubblica, because it's the day on which Italian people chose the Republican form of state and chose Italy to be a democratic republic and to adhere to certain principles and values that we share with Pakistani people, such as international solidarity, democracy, respect of human dignity. This is why I chose this day also to award the Order of the Star, which is the second highest civilian order in Italy, to the late Madam Bilquis Edhi. Was awarded posthumously to Faisal Edhi, her son. So it was a very special occasion and we were joined by many Pakistani friends.